matter.
Dark matter.
Dark matter.
Same like black hole, dark matter, black matter. You don't see them.
Okay, I heard it somewhere, but I didn't understand it well.
Yeah, that is the absorption. The reflection is not there. Everything is absorbed.
Okay.
100% absorption.
Mm-hmm. How far does a satellite have to go to break connection from ground crew?
Earth gravity.
No, how far does a satellite have to go from Earth?
Yeah, Earth
Break
gravity.
connect-
Earth gravity field is 140 kilometers.
Okay.
So once
If
it goes
the satellite exits that.
Once it goes out of 140 kilometers, for example, all the space shuttle, space labs, all this is around 200 kilometers because outside the gravity.
Okay.
Okay.
So you mean if the satellite goes outside, exits the Earth's gravity field, then we cannot control it.
Yeah, we can control. We can communicate, we can control. And just now you asked dark matter. Actually, dark matter doesn't exist in the atmosphere.
Mm-hmm.
Because in the atmosphere, everything can reflect, you can understand. Suppose it is outside the atmosphere.
Mm-hmm.
Then that place where the matter is not in full energy, that means full energy is very very small.
Mm-hmm.
That is called a dark matter. So such dark matter is uncontrollable. But satellite, when we send, it can communicate.
Uh-huh.
We have a control. So
How do we communicate?
we
How do we communicate?
yeah,
with
earlier I was telling about the wavelength.
Yeah.
Now how are we communicating? Through satellite, my energy, the wavelength in which I am talking to you gets converted into electrical. You have FM, you have AM radio, FM radio, and when you take the telephone, you get an information. How is it communicating through the air? It communicates. So, to communicate to the satellite, we don't use these frequencies. These frequency wavelength we don't use because many people will use such frequencies. So, we take a different frequency for communicating to our satellites.
Okay.
So, those satellites gives command from the controlling room, to the satellite, specifically our satellite. Like when the telephone comes, there may be 10 people. But only my phone rings when it comes to here, right? Because there is a chip inside which identifies, oh, this is call for me. So similarly in the satellite also have a code. Which satellite, what am I trying to do, what am I trying to say, what operation it has to do, everything is controlled from here.
Okay.
Got it? So once that is in the control, from 140 kilometer to 200, 300 kilometer, I do space shuttle. Above that is remote sensing satellite.
Mm-hmm.
That remote sensing satellite goes around the earth and take picture and then send it to us. That is what is used in Google Map and all. Every detail is seen. But then
GPS?
36,000 kilometer height. 36,000 kilometer height. That is from here to Bahrain, 6-7 times distance. That much you go up and then put it. That is called geosynchronized satellite. India has got INSAT. That is what gives you the picture of the whole India, weather prediction, satellite communication, radio communication, TV telecommunication. Everything is done through the satellite, which will always move around the earth, fixed to our country. So that means in the same speed that the earth is moving, the satellite also will move. So that all the time it will look at my country only. The remote sensing goes around and take pictures around the earth. Geostationary 36,000 goes around the earth only looking at my place. and in between you have got GPS, the positioning system. That is why you get the map, latitude, longitude, you can see where are you going. All that is done, the telephone is communicating to GPS. So many purpose, many satellites, different applications, the wavelength in which do, whether it is taking picture, whether it is hearing and then sending you the message, whether it is telling you the position, all these are different uses.